Okay, I also worked really hard in the kitchen and I got that Lazy Susan cabinet under there. Got that clean. Got all the drawers clean. Got all the pots and pans that were under there. Got rid of all of them. Whoa, it has been a lot of work. But hey, I got a lot of work done today, especially in this kitchen. And see, I'm not cheating. Got that cabinet empty. That cabinet, that one, and the little one on top. And all this really pretty Pyrex dishes. So got that. Just 2 more cabinets to clean out. 1 up there to clean. And, oh, sorry. Let's look around. Gotta get up there, get all that stuff dumped. And, oh, gotta get all this stuff out too. So, I'm gonna save that for tomorrow. But it's a work in progress. Keep watching, y'all. Bye.